Hello, hi, how are you? Okay, guys, my name is Diana, and this is Happy Face Travels. And in today's video, I am going to be talking about something that is so important. As a matter of fact, I like to call it the Canada breaking news. Yes, it is a breaking news for me because we talk about study routes here on Happy Face Travels, and this particular news has to do with the study permit to Canada. So, for those of you who want to study in Canada, you all know that the usual proof of fund that you're expected to come with ranges from 12,000 to maybe even 15,000 Canadian dollars. But guess what? As at today, there is a new rule. And as you can see on my screen, it says Canada raises the bar study visa applicants required to demonstrate minimum of 30,000 Canadian dollars. And I'll tell you how we arrived to this 30,000. Yes. So this is it, guys. And if you go to this particular article, we're going to be dropping the link in the description box and also in the comment section. If you go to this particular article, you can read all of the terms and conditions from the Canada government. So I'll tell you how we arrived at the 20,000. So look at this, guys. As of December 7th, 2023, which was yesterday, and this is the link from the Canada government website. So this is official, guys. It has been said, that effective January 1st, 2024, the cost of living financial requirements for study permit applicants will witness a substantial increase to ensure that international students are adequately prepared for life in Canada. This adjustment pegged to Statistics Canada's annual low income cutoff reflects the minimum income essential to safeguard individuals from spending an undue portion on basic necessities. The financial threshold stagnant since the early 20s at 10,000 Canadian dollars. Just like what I said at the beginning of this video, that it was a 10,000 Canadian dollars for a single applicant, is set to undergo a significant transformation. Starting 2024, a single applicant must demonstrate financial readiness by showcasing 20,635 Canadian dollars, equivalent to 75% of LICO, in addition to their initial tuition and travel expense. So this is why we pegged it at 30,000 Canadian dollars. So you have to have 20,635 Canadian dollars. That's approximately 21,000. Then you also have to have your initial tuition. Do you understand? So this is minus the 20,000. So why we said 30,000? So let's imagine that your initial tuition deposit is around 5,000 Canadian dollars. That is most likely the first semester school fees or tuition, as you would like to call it, and also your travel expenses. So they're also going to be checking your flight tickets and all these things aside the 20,000 Canadian dollars. So it is safe to say, for the barest minimum, you should have 30,000 Canadian dollars. To just make it even better, you can aspire to have 40,000 Canadian dollars to be sure that you will not be rejected or your visa will not be denied. So guys, do you see the change will be applicable to study permit applications submitted on or after January 2024? So guess what? In my opinion, even those of you who are submitting in December, please just make sure that you have the 40,000 or 30,000 Canadian dollars in your account, because if you submit in December, there's a possibility that your application might spill into January, and for some reason you might get rejected because you do not fall into the financial bracket they are looking for. So guys, I don't want to bore you. I don't want to bore you with all of these things. You need to go to this particular article, because I don't want this video to be so long and I don't want to bore you. You need to go to this article and read every other news that was released the extension of the waiver on the 20-hour per week. Those who want to work when they arrive Canada, you need to go here and read about it. The continuation of the facilitative measures allowing students to count online study time towards postgraduation work permits. You need to also go and read about that. So guys, and we also have the link from the Canada website here. Can you see this, guys? So when you come to this particular link, you can also visit the Canada website. That is the government of Canada website, to see all the things they have listed, because this is just a summary of the news. So you need to actually go there and read everything by yourself, guys. Anyways, having said all of this, and I want to say in conclusion, the recent shift in travel and work dynamics presents a compelling opportunity for individuals to embrace the lifestyle of a digital nomad. So if you're that student that says, wow, due to this new development of 30,000 to 40,000 Canadian dollars that you need to have, if you feel like you do not have that kind of funds to go and study, this is the right time for you to even become a digital nomad. Who is a digital nomad? Someone who works remotely and you're able to travel all around the world, working from the comfort of your laptop in your phone and having a good Wi-Fi connection. So this is the moment you need to start looking for remote jobs. If you need remote jobs, you can also join us on our platforms to get remote jobs and to start applying for remote jobs. We have so many packages that avail you the opportunity to actually get remote jobs and start working and start your journey as a digital nomad. So I go on to say that the advent of digital nomad visa opens doors for remote work enthusiasts to explore the world while earning a living online. In light of this transformative development, we invite you to embark on a journey as a digital nomad. By working remotely, you can immerse yourself in diverse cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unique experiences while maintaining a fulfilling professional life. Who doesn't want this? Guys, did you just hear what I said? To kickstart your digital nomad adventure, we encourage you, Diana, encourages you to apply for remote jobs through our platforms. Our curated selections of opportunities allows you to blend work and travel seamlessly. For inquiries to begin your training for this dynamic lifestyle, reach out to us via our email, admin@happyfacetravels.com. Stay connected with our global community and gain inspiration for your digital nomad journey by following us on Instagram, that is happy.face.travels. Join us in redefining the way we work and travel, making each moment a unique and fulfilling chapter in your life as a modern day traveler. Yes, so it is time for you to buckle your set. It is time for you to take off and become a digital nomad, working remotely from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world. You can even work from the beach, just enjoying life and being a digital entrepreneur. So if you do not understand the world of being a digital entrepreneur, why not send an email and join our community and get started right away. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I hope to see you tomorrow. Stay tuned, stay connected. Do not forget, guys, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share this video, so that we can have more community. We can have more members in our community. We can have more people looking to start the journey of remote working. I love you guys. Have an amazing day and bye.